Hello everyone, I'm Bhavna Aaron. I'm back with the part third of class 7 lesson 1 of history. Today we are going to learn about the second subheading of this chapter, that is historian and their sources. Under this heading, we are going to learn about the sources used by the historians to wrote a book, account or judicial record, etc. As here the question arises is what are the sources to study history? That is, are the historians still rely on the ancient time study only, like the coins, architecture or inscription they used in ancient time, or something else came into existence over this medieval period? So answer is yes. During this period, the use of textual
Dramatical
records
way
increased
during
in a
this
way.
period.
As during this time, the number and the variety of textual records increased dramatically during this period, as now the paper become more cheaper and more widely available for each and everyone. As by 14th century, it became easy for everyone to use paper, but in 13th century, it's not possible for the people to make use of paper. Now the question arises over here is where they use this paper as a source for. As we know that the historians use the paper technique, now what they are using it for? So they used it for the holy text books, then the chronicles of rulers, for teaching of sons, judicial records in order to maintain the judicial record, for register of account and taxes, and for the letters purpose. So basically they used it for all this purpose. As no printing press is available, so scribes generally copied manuscript by hand only. So the chances are high that the of just because of a small difference in the word, while copying remained grew over centuries and centuries of copying until the manuscript of the same text became different from one another. So this was the bit serious issue of that time period, as we are totally dependent upon the copies made by the later scribes. So this is all about the second subheading of the chapter, that is historian and their sources. Now we are going to move ahead for the next subheading of this chapter, that is the new social and political group. So kindly like, share and subscribe if you like my video. Thank you.